Hey y'all, JMO from N-Flight Tech Support, here to quickly talk about our exterior ball mount. There's a lot of shots that you see where cameras, GoPros in particular, are mounted to the outside of a fuselage, much like that one, and you wonder, how did they get that shot? Well, I can't speak for every shot on the internet, but I do know that if you'd like to safely and securely affix your GoPro to the outside of your aircraft, I would recommend our N-Flight exterior ball mount system, which consists of a stainless steel spud like this one and the adjustable ball head mount that work together to utilize the already existing screw ports on your fuselage. This camera's already ready to go, but you have this spud that is mounted to one of your, like I said, pre-existing screw holes, right, in your fuselage. And then the exterior ball head, adjustable ball head mount with the GoPro finger forks just slides right on there and you make your adjustment. This unit here is obviously already put on, ready to go. And we're gonna take a flight with it here and see what we come up with. It's kind of a weird, funky, cloudy day here, but I think we might be able to find some good lights somewhere. Sound good? All right, let's do it.